This Thanksgrilling series, it's going to be huge.
You can't miss out on this.
Not this one.
Shoot, yeah, those Kingsford Pellets provide the best flavor.
Oh, yeah.
Let's get it started.
Happy holidays, everybody. I'm Chef Greg with recteq, and today I'm going to show you a non-traditional gravy that is really going to up your Thanksgiving and holidays. We're making a delicious Cajun crawfish gravy. We're going to cook that on the RTB380. We're going to use those Kingsford signature blend pellets. It's going to be the perfect blend of cherry, hickory, and maple. It's going to give that gravy a great color, great robust flavor, and honestly, it's pretty simple. Now, yesterday we went ahead and made some delicious crawfish stock. Say, Chef, what's crawfish stock? It's just like making chicken stock, but we're going to use crawfish tails. So I've taken some bell pepper, some carrots, onions, celery, those crawfish tails, a little bit of garlic. I like it spicy, so I added a jalapeno. Let that simmer for a couple hours. We strained it, and any Cajun would be proud to have this in their kitchen. But we're going to go ahead out to the grill. We're going to go ahead and render out some bacon. We're going to make a roux. We're going to add our Trinity in there. It's going to be delicious. See you at the recteq. I really, really wish you guys could smell this with me. This crawfish gravy, you want to elevate your holidays. This is good on turkey, biscuits, rice. I mean, it's a little non-traditional, but I'm telling you, once you have this, you'll probably make turkey more than just once a year. We cooked this on the RTB380 using those Kingsford signature pellets. It was the perfect balance of cherry, maple, and hickory. It gave us the most robust flavor in this. And I'm about to try it, but I don't want to burn my mouth because this crawfish is calling my name. Before I can dive into this, you guys got to do me a favor. Go ahead and subscribe to Kingsford and recteq's YouTube channel, and that way you guys can get the latest and greatest of all the content that we'd be dropping because it's hot, like this Cajun crawfish gravy. Ooh, I wish I had some turkey. We'll see you guys at the recteq.